Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be talking about the 5 common forms of police misconduct. If this sounds interesting to you, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Now let's take a deep dive on the 5 common forms of police misconduct. Police departments across the country have a responsibility to safeguard their communities. Regrettably, police officers abuse their authority and violate the constitutional rights of the people they are sworn to protect. When police officers act inappropriately while doing their official duties, this is known as police misconduct. Individuals might be deprived of their liberty, as well as suffer permanent bodily, mental, and emotional harm as a result of such misconduct. The following are some of the most typical examples of police misconduct. Number 1. False or wrongful arrest. In order to make an arrest, police officers must have reasonable grounds to believe that a person has committed, is committing, or will commit a criminal offense. If an officer detains a person without probable cause, it is considered a false arrest. Number 2. Unlawful searches and seizures. The United States Constitution's Fourth Amendment protects citizens from arbitrary searches and seizures. To search a person or property, law enforcement agents must have consent, probable cause, or a warrant. Number 3. Excessive force. Number 3. Excessive force. The use of excessive force by law enforcement officers when making an arrest or investigating a crime. This kind of brutality usually results in major physical harm, if not death. Number 4. Malicious prosecution. This occurs when a police officer wrongfully deprives someone of their right to liberty under the 14th Amendment. You must establish that the officer initiated a criminal process, and that the proceeding ended in your favor, i.e., no conviction. Also that the officer lacked probable cause, and that the proceeding was brought with malice against you to prove malicious prosecution. Number 5. Sexual misconduct. Police officers may use their authority to sexually assault and abuse anyone they arrest or detain. Intoxicated women, women involved in prostitution or human trafficking, women of color, domestic abuse victims, and even children are examples of persons who law enforcement officers may take advantage of. You have civil rights as a citizen of the United States, which means you have the right to fair and equitable treatment in all aspects of life. If your rights have been violated as a result of police wrongdoing, please call an expert civil rights attorney. They can assist you in holding the officer and department accountable and recovering monetary damages. Well, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more content like this video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Until the next episode of Know Your Rights, stay safe out there.